Hi, welcome to Swipe. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create an invoice and record a payment for it. To create an invoice, click on Create Invoice. Select the customer, then choose the product, enter the quantity, and click Add to Bill. After adding the product, you can apply a discount using the available options. For example, in this, I'm applying a percentage discount on the total amount. You can either choose the discount to be applied in percentage or either in rupees. You can also include additional charges. By selecting additional charges, entering the required details such as the name, whether it is a deduction or an addition, and selecting the documents on which it should be applied. After entering the information, click on Save. You can also set them as default or disable them when needed. Once added, you can view the additional charges added as field. You can enter the details accordingly. Next, you can add bank details. Fill in the required information and click Save and Update. You also have the option to add a signature, which can be uploaded as a picture, typed, or drawn. In this example, I am choosing the typed option and typing my name as a signature. Once done, click Save and Update. Additionally, you can add notes either manually or using AI assistance. I'm choosing the AI option here. Similarly, terms and conditions can also be added. Once all the required details are filled in, click Save. After the invoice is created, you will see options to record payment, view the invoice, and share it with customers via WhatsApp, email, SMS, or by copying the link. You can also edit the invoice later if any changes are required. To record a payment, click on the rupees icon and choose a payment mode such as UPI, cash, card, net banking, check, EMI, or TDS. Select the payment date. Finally, click on Update Payment. The payment will be recorded and the invoice will be marked as paid. Additionally, the selected payment mode will be reflected for the invoice. Thank you for watching. For more help, just call the number mentioned in the description.